before this, do this if you have cold like me.
Grab your ginger, scrape the bag and grate it. Then add in your boiled water. After that, cover it and let it sit for a bit. Sieve it and add in lemon and honey. Just like that, you have made yourself a cough tea. Serve it and enjoy it. Do this for 3 days and you see that your cough will disappear. Thank you for watching. Yeah, don't mention we don't do that here.
You like it? You see, Shebi, you were running away before. Abokina. Kini.